bottom.
Everybody, Red's back here again at the car show. 2 crazy donuts with the crew. And Hades, he is giving my other dogs a break. That's why I brought him here, because he is a handful. And he is a drama queen. But yeah, we're definitely going to take a look at all the cars out here. There's a lot of nice cars. I'll show you all the ones that I like. And maybe see if we roast some or see what we do. Look at him, it's causing trouble. We got Godzilla corner over here. 1 GTR, 2 GTR, 3 GTR, 4 GTR, 5 GTR, 6 GTRs, all the GTRs. Where's my GTR? I love this blue. I don't know if this is like Bayside blue or it's supposed to be, but oof, Millennium Jade. Oh, it's not a GTR, it's a 4-door Skyline. Even cooler. With these confetti seats that I was gonna put in the E30, but ended up not doing because it's a pain in the ass. Oh, wow. These cars are sick. Maybe one day, probably not. Pajama. Honestly, this has to be my dream car. FD RX-7 in red like this. And when you guys know me, when I got my Evo, it was all sun faded too, so bring this back. So clean. And it's right-hand drive. AF. Wow. So clean. Check this trunk setup out. These style trunk lifts are starting to come back, I realized. I like them, actually. Pretty clean. Air ride. VIP with the drinks for the baby. Red interior, clean. Clean ass car. Maybe if my Subaru didn't yeet itself into that wall in the highway, it could have been something like this. Dumped. Those Corvette wheels. A dumped wagon. Love the wagon. So practical. Look at all that room he's got. So practical. What? Are these some Supras? Oof. A lot of oops today. Wrapped up in my dog, 1 second. But damn, check out the TEs on the Supra. Nice. And that carbon fiber wing. Oh my god, HKS exhaust. This Supra is friggin' awesome. In audio. Car kind of, a Mini Cooper-ish. I think it's a Mini Cooper. 2 JZ swap. Hades.
Tristan, this is my 1990 Mini Mayfair. Rebuilt the motor. It's a 998 overboard by 60, so it's a 1058. I picked it up about 2.5 years ago, and it was just mainly in a barn, so I fixed it up. It didn't look like this.
Nice barn find.
Yep, barn find. And yeah, so it's my daily.
Nice, nice. Yeah, this thing is pretty clean. He's put a lot of work into it from what we talked offline. The motor's been in and out. How many times do you say?
About 4 times.
4 times, yeah. But hey, this is part of the passion. Stop complaining, Hades. But thank you, Tristan, for sharing that with us. Do you have any like social media or anything? Or
Nope. No social media.
You can find him in Jacksonville.
There you go.
If you see him. But thank you so much. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
I know
no
I
problem.
said that red RX-7 was the dream car, but really it's any RX-7. And this one is fucking mint. Look at this thing. Even Hades approves it, right, Hades? I love this thing. Still got the rotary in it. It's got a big spoolie boy right there. That V-mount setup. This thing is perfect. I really hope to own one of these one day. Left-hand drive, but don't matter. This might be the guy that I was racing earlier today. The sunroof, I love the way it pushes up like that. I love this car. RX-7s have to be my all-time favorite right underneath GTRs. It's funny how a newer car is more attainable than an older car now, because I honestly feel like the GTR is more of an attainable dream car than this at this point. I regret not buying one earlier. So clean. All the Beamer boys, look at this. M3, E46, got a couple E36s. Clean. E90s, F30s, 5 Series. Things are clean. And then right on the other side, we got Mopar Alley. That's what I call family.
I bet he should like do it like
Freaking
this to everybody.
Dom would be proud. Family.
Everybody that would go past.
Here's everything. Come on, buddy. Alright, always remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Rez out.